welcome to Copenhagen. In this video I'm checking into Scandic Hotel Webers, located right in the heart of the city, just a short walk from Tivoli Gardens, Copenhagen Central Station, and the vibrant Vesterbro district. It's a great base if you want easy access to restaurants, nightlife and public transport. This is a standard double queen room, designed for travelers who want comfort and simplicity. As you enter, you'll notice the clean Scandinavian style, minimalist, practical and focused on functionality. The room features a queen-size bed with Scandic's signature bedding, known for being soft and supportive. And there's a compact workspace, perfect if you need to get some work done during your stay. The lighting is warm and subtle, giving the room a cozy feel despite its smaller footprint. The bathroom follows the same Scandinavian design. Clean lines, bright lighting and practical layout. You'll find Scandic's eco-friendly toiletries, a walk-in shower and good water pressure, which is always a plus after a long day exploring Copenhagen. You also get basic storage space for clothes and luggage, along with a flat-screen TV, free Wi-Fi and easy access to power outlets around the bed and desk. And Scandic keeps things simple, but everything you need for a comfortable city stay is here. If you're planning a trip to Copenhagen and want a hotel close to everything, Scandic Hotel Webers is a solid choice. It's central, convenient and perfect for short city breaks. And here is a sneak peek at the breakfast buffet, a great way to start your day off right. Thanks for watching!